Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a painting with charcoal, pastels, and some Stabilo All pencil on this black cardstock signature from my handmade art journal. So I start out with a layer of clear gesso, and I am going to just overwork this to get some brush strokes and texture on that page because they're going to work to my advantage. So I start out just by sketching the face with a white charcoal pencil to get my proportions down, and then I will just continue building the face, going back and forth with pastels and black and white charcoal and some Stabilo pencil, and activating everything with water. And it's just kind of a dance, going back and forth, light to dark. This is really pretty new for me to work with charcoal on black paper, so I had some issues along the way, but I persisted and I really liked the way she ended up. I would do some things differently probably if I tried this again, now that I kind of have a better idea of what to do. I think you can see there as I'm moving that white charcoal around how that texture just grabs and holds the charcoal, even though I still am able to move it with water pretty easily. But the texture really helps with the look of the whole thing. So I'm just going to leave you with some music until the end, and you can just feel free to sit and watch the process. Talk to you soon. So as you can see, it's quite a dance going back and forth between the lights and the darks and getting everything established and then re-established. I had a hard time with her mouth, but I finally got that to the point where I just wasn't going to touch it anymore. And at some point my camera battery died, so I don't have the very end, but I hope you enjoyed watching the process. Give it a try if you've never painted on black paper before. It's challenging, but it's fun. I learned a lot, and I'm pleased with the end result. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. And in the meantime, go make some art. Bye.